Kani ka Kynhun Tem ka bakit khot kidai ka badan jing Duna ka bor ïohi. Kani ka balatip kum ka Eastern Brook Band bat kani ka Kynhun ka layo ki Tiar Tem Tiar Pot leng baga Meglaya Grassroots Music Program. Ka badai ka program kerpang jong ka office menteri rangba. Ban kentio bat kersyan ki Kynhun bat ki samla ki badan sap ka jela. Ka Eastern Brook ka dan sawut gid khot bat kani ka Kynhun Tem ka barwai ki jing ruai ki basngau tenat. Hendrai kani ka Kynhun wala gid khot jong ka ki bamdan ka bor ïohi. Penban kim shim la kertiang dien bat kila jam shaprang ha ka tem kaput. U Conrad kongkal sangma ule ro ikani ka Kynhun bat lu penslureki bakin yai beteng ha ka ban pen urlong bat bakin kenjo ka thong ka bakidon kum ka Kynhun.
It will be nice for others also to listen. So we have to plan nicely. So we have to be creative also with music. So.
And also, it's a great opportunity that you give us like this equipment and all, so that we'll be practicing and then, we'll move ahead.
Absolutely.
Move forward ahead.
I'm sure that your music and the songs that you come out with will be really, really amazing, and we wish you the very best for it. And I want to assure you that we will keep supporting you. As you know, that the Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program was meant to do exactly what it is doing now, to bring out the talent that our youth have and showcase it and allow them to be able to perform at different stages. So the fact that MGLP has found the talent in you and brought you out is a great satisfaction to me also, to see that our programs are actually succeeding. And at the same time, as I said, for the album, we are also going to support. You keep doing your work, and I really encourage you to also become icons for the youth. You should lead by example, by telling them about how you had challenges and struggles, and yet you've done what and you've achieved what you have achieved till now, and I'm sure many more things in the future. So I think you're a great example to the youth, and in spite of all the different in today's world, so many distractions are there for the youth. Be it issues with drugs, be it issues with different forms of substance abuse, be it other issues that the youth are facing. I think you should be a good icon and a good example to tell the youth that we should focus on our dreams and our passions. So I really hope that you will become an example to others. So thank you so much once again.
Thank you.
And I wish you all the very best.
Thank you, sir.
I think the equipments are still packed, so we can't jam tonight.
Yes.
We will, before you get used to the equipments, and one of these days we will jam together. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
I hope you like it.